In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT or any crypto coin from Bitget to another Bitget account. And I will also show you how you can transfer these coins 100% free. You don't have to pay a penny for that transfer. Otherwise, maybe you miss any step of that transfer. In the end, you may lose your funds or maybe you have to pay your fee. So watch this video till the end and learn how you can transfer from Bitget to another Bitget account 100% free. So let's come on the mobile screen without wasting any time. So here you can see I have opened Bitget application on my cell phone and currently I have only $1 in my Bitget account. So I will transfer this 1 USDT from this account to my another account which is on the Bitget also, and we will transfer this 1 USDT 100% free. So to transfer this USDT or any crypto coin, you have to come on the asset, and here you will see all the coins which are available in your wallet. You can select any coin. So to withdraw any crypto coin, come on the withdraw, and here you will see all your assets. Currently I have only USDT available. You may see your more coins which are available. So you can select the any crypto coin. I want to transfer USDT as I have only USDT. So here you can see, you will see two options, on-chain withdrawal and internal transfer. So basically if you choose on-chain withdrawal, here you have to choose the withdrawal network. After that you have to add the withdrawal address, which basically used to transfer crypto from one exchange to another exchange, another wallet. But currently we are transferring from one exchange to same exchange. Okay, then you have to select, come on the withdraw again, select USDT, and here you have to select the internal transfer. Because we are transferring USDT from one Bitget account to another Bitget account, so press internal transfer. So Bitget exchange provide you a great facility that you can transfer crypto coins using different type of account, just like email, phone number, UID, so whatever you can select. So to transfer USDT, the safe way is UID, because you don't have to provide the email or mobile number to another party. So I will suggest you to select UID, and here you have to add the UID, and here you have to set the withdrawal amount. Let me show you that how you can get UID. Let me open my another Bitget account. So here I have opened my another Bitget account, and you have to click on the three dots to get the UID. Press this and your UID will be copied. Now you have to provide this UID to the person who are transferring USDT or any crypto coin on your Bitget account. Alright, now again come on the another account. Here you can see I have entered the UID, and after that you have to add the amount here. You can transfer even 0.00 USDT from Bitget to another Bitget account, but I will transfer 1 USDT as I have only 1 USDT. Now here are some reminder points. You can read all the points that click on withdraw. So after that you have to add the codes, security verification codes, email code and Google Authenticator code. Let me insert both codes. After that click on confirm. So here you can see itself withdrawal order has been submitted. Come on the view status, and here you can see it says pending. Withdrawal can be cancelled within 1 minute. Because Bitget exchange provide you facility, you can cancel the withdrawal within a minute. But you can also disable this setting. Click on setting, cancel withdrawal, close this back button. So here you can see instantly we have transferred 1 USDT from our Bitget account to another Bitget account and 100% free. Now let's come on the another account and see that. So here I have opened my another account. Come on the assets, and here you can see one deposit received. Click on this and 1 USDT. So we have successfully received 1 USDT from another Bitget account and 100% free. So I hope you understand that how you can transfer these USDT, how you can transfer a crypto coin from Bitget to another Bitget account 100% free. If you are new on this channel and not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.